what do you want to do now?
We eat, huh?
Yeah, we can do that first.
Well, you claim you can cook.
It's often been considered one of my strongest points.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, what's the specialty of the house?
Me! Well, I can cook too. On top of the rest, my seafood's the best in the town. Yeah, I can cook too. My fish can't be beat. My sugar's the sweetest around. I'm a man's ideal of a perfect meal, right down to the damn task. I'm a pot of joy for a hungry boy, baby. I'm cooking with gas, so I'm a gumdrop, sweet lollipop, a brook trout right out of the brook. And what's more, baby, I can cook. Some girls make magazine covers. Some girls keep house on a dime. Some girls make wonderful lovers. But what a lucky find I'm. I make a magazine cover. I do keep house on a dime. I make a wonderful lover. I should be paid overtime, 'cause I can bake too. On top of the lot, my oven's the hottest you'll find. Yeah, I can roast too. My chickens just do. My gravy will lose, are you mine? I'm a brand new note on a tablet, don't, but just try me a la carte. Oh, in the single course, you can choke a horse. Baby, you won't know where to start. Oh, I'm an order. Jelly preserve, not in the recipe book. And what's more, baby, I can cook. Here's a little cooking. Do you